All right, Transformers, welcome to Meal Plan 1.3. So here, I'm gonna get you to do is start planning out your meals. Remember, most people don't plan to fail, they fail to plan. So this is gonna be a list, and I want you to print this off. And then some people even laminate it and then they'll put it on their fridge and then they'll like write it in and then they'll erase it every week. Totally up to you. But I want you to get in the habit of starting to plan out your meals in advance. So here you see breakfast, you see lunch, dinner, snacks, you see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the way up to Sunday. So on a Sunday, I want you to spend 10 minutes and just map out what you're going to have for that week. Breakfast, what kind of vegetables, protein, carbs you're going to have. Lunch, same thing. What kind of veggie, protein, carbs? If you're in the weight loss phase, avoid the carbs at night. What kind of veggies and protein you're going to have? And then also over here, you can also include if you're going to follow any recipes here. Okay. Now, some people they like more variety, so you can mix it up. You can have the same thing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday, you can meal prep again and you can have something different for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Or if you're like me and you want to save time, Saturday, Sunday, I'll just prep everything for the whole week. Or you can also prep two meals. So for example, Monday can be meal one, Tuesday meal two, Wednesday back to meal one, Thursday meal two, totally up to you. Okay. And then once you fill everything out, you're gonna write out what you're gonna need to buy for that week. So vegetables, remember, you're gonna buy about 7 pounds, protein 6 pounds, carbs 4 pounds. Fats, just keep it to a minimum. All right, the next page is a 90-minute meal prep hack. So step one, take 5-10 minutes, plan out your meals. Step two, go grocery shopping. Step three and four. Step three, you're gonna marinate your meat because that takes more time. And then step four, preheat the oven because that takes some time to preheat as well. Step five, you're gonna prep the ingredients. Step six, you're gonna cook the carbs. Usually the carbs take a long time to cook. If you're having like brown rice, simple, pop it in the rice cooker. If you're having like potatoes or yams or sweet potato, pop it in the oven, bake it. Step seven is to cook your protein. For protein, what I like to do is I like to put it in a baking sheet. It just makes my life easier versus like cooking it on the stove, and my stove is only like limited. My pan's like that big versus a baking sheet is gigantic. I'll slice up some lemons, put it on the pan, and then I'll put my chicken breast on top or pork or whatever you like, and then I'll cover it with tin foil. That way it's steaming from the bottom from the lemon slices and also steaming in the top, so it keeps my protein nice and moist. And then step eight doesn't take a long time. You can cook your vegetables, you can steam it, you can bake it, whatever you like, boil it. And then step nine, this is super important. I want you to put it into little Tupperware containers. So you're gonna have a fist of veggies, palm of protein, scoop of carbs. That's for lunch. Dinner, remember you want to avoid the carbs, and then have it prepped in little Tupperware containers. You can even freeze some for emergency meals. That way, it's just grab and go every day. All right. And then also step 10 is just to clean up everything. Okay. So here you have a 90-minute meal prep hack. You have your weekly meal planning sheet that I want you to send us every Sunday, and then you have a little grocery helper. So this is your weekly meal plan 1.3.